Heavy rain lasting over 24 hours has significantly impacted parts of East Jaintia Hills in Meghalaya, leading to landslides along National Highway 6 that have disrupted traffic. The most severely affected area is Kuliang village, where debris from the slopes has covered the entire stretch of the highway with stone and mud. Several vehicles, including a car parked near a truck, have been buried under the debris. As the latest update, there have been no reported casualties, although heavy traffic congestion persists due to the immobility of vehicles.